Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Learn AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to rename uploaded files on Grok. So once you're inside Grok, go ahead and click your account on the lower left hand side, then go to Files. Here you'll find your files that you've uploaded to Grok. And as you can see right here, I have these files with the generic name of WhatsApp, image, and here, right, and the date. You can basically see that. Now, if I want to rename these files, just simply click the three dots on the right hand side, then click on Rename. Then I can double click in the name where it has the file name. As you can see, I can easily click on it and it will highlight the name, or I can press Ctrl A. Now you can go ahead and just give the file a name. So I can just say, for example, day in split, for example. And I can type Croatia, right? Then go ahead and click the check mark to say done, and that's it. So I made the image much more meaningful. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to rename any file, that's how you can easily go ahead and rename your uploaded files on Grok.